next is make another circle.
Bigger one.
Huh, bigger one, and make
I think it's some kind of ant.
I make
Sir, what is this?
you guess it what animal it will guess it. I make bigger one more. Ha ha. How guess it? What? One, two, three. First one
It's an ant.
is the ant.
Wait, it's an ant?
No, it's not ant.
Caterpillar?
Okay, I guess you guys are still not understand that what is character. Okay, let's see. You can maybe tell that after that. I just make its concept first. First, I make the concept.
It's a bird? It's kind of a bird. I'm sure, but what kind of bird? Oh, elephant! Elephant!
Yes, elephant. How
I thought
this
elephant.
elephant, the Joanna shell first is the elephants.
One did not sound it. I realized
Yeah, I make this elephant at little different angle. So you
Sir,
are
is this an elephant?
yes, beta.
Sir,
This
is
is
this an elephant?
this is yes E for elephant. That is. So I make this elephant first. Basic drawing I done, and then I can make its the elephant ear. This is elephant's ear. Okay.
Sir, can you please remove your hand? I can't see
Yes, yes,
I
yes.
can't see the elephant ear.
Okay, this is the elephant ear. This is elephant ear. Here this elephant's teeth. Elephant teeth is this. The big teeth.
It reminds me of a mammoth
Uh, yes, mammoth is a very more bigger. Yeah, the same kind of, but it's little bit bigger.
also. It was very funny if on the top.
Uh, so here is a in down. I draw some uh, grasses, long grasses. In Africa,
Yes.
this is long moshai
Yeah,
grasses.
that's very long grass.
Yeah, moshai grasses is very long grasses. This lion are, you know,
Yeah.
hiding.
Grasslands.
Lion and hiding this with this grasses, this moshai, something called the grassland. Yeah. So this is the body and here this leg. This is the tail here. The tail. Okay, this is the tail. Back sides. So I show you this elephant is backside from this different angle.
It looks like it's like going in the form like this.
Yes, perfect. Yeah, it looks like it's going.
Yes, like in a curve
Yeah, this is called. Here also first make this. After that we can. Hi, Hemant. Good evening, beta. Let's start. So I can erasing this circle parts. Whatever doing, it's very important. But first doing circle, then only you can draw the nice this view. This view is something different, right? It's not that.
At first, like when you look at it, it looks so difficult to
Yeah, but you draw it.
draw. It's easy.
Is easy. First time because fail. It is so difficult to draw, but if you go the step by steps, it's easy. And beta? Yes. Perfect, you tell. Trying, never give up, right? Yes. Never give up mentality. Never give up. Yes. Yes, you're correct. Alisha done beta. Okay, good. Aram se, take time. I just add something little bit of shading on it. Yes, I see. Oh my goodness. How this drawing is difficult, but this way, what way I teaching, this is the very easy, and it is awesome. Thank you so much. I make some shading. I just put some shading. Okay, you can put some shading like this. Just I put some shading so it looks more beautiful. This is the learning the shading drawing, how to create the shades. Right, you are practicing shading. Oh, but now understand, beta. Okay, again. Can I show you again?
What?
Am I show again?
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes. Okay. I show it. Don't worry.
Sir, is this okay?
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, perfect. Just make this part is little shady and all. It looks good. It looks good. Sometimes I give some drawing to little bit of realistic. So I just check how much you are practicing, how much you are progressing, how much you can do. But you can do it. It is easy. So what I share here you what I do first. This Diptoshi. I make first one circle, one. I make the second circle, two. I make the third circle, three. So I make the three circle like this. Understood, Peter? No, I just share here how I draw the start the drawing. Okay, then you can get. Yeah, show me. Wow, perfect. Show me once, Brian. Show me once again. I just want to see you are doing how much good. Wow, very good.
Really good.
It's really good. Yes, I like it. It's really good. Good try. So the torchi after that, after the three circle, so I make the first circle is a tongue. What's called it again? Tongue, no? কি বলে এটাকে দেবদর্শী? হাতির সুরকে কি বলে? This is first. Okay. So this is the grasses. So I make the grasses like this. The first I make this tongue. Second, I just start after the three circle. Second, I start here. Okay, from here one the ear. This is ear part. I make the ear. Okay. First circle and from second circle I make the ear. This is the ear part. And third circles I make the body. Okay. This is the body I create. Leg and the body. So it's look like a two elephant in this jungle. Understand this now. Diptoshi. I'm erasing the circle line. Okay. This is a so another. It's look this two to the same way. If you are making this one once more elephant, it's look like a because elephant always when journey is have more friends at all in this team, right? Their journey always with family. With the newborn baby, his mother, father, here looks the two elephants. Thank you, Diptoshi, for you. I draw on once more elephants. Haha.